And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. Just the last rays of the sunshine hitting the church there. A nice pretty picture. A little bit of cloud cover, but we certainly didn't have a lot of cloud cover today because the winds were so strong. Clouds didn't have a chance to stick around. We did get to 6 degrees at noon. We got down to -1 at 3 a.m. Overnight average temperatures are -13. So to have an overnight low of -1, you know it's very mild. And you can see the demarcation line between the milder temperatures to the east in southern Alberta, cooler temperatures to the west of the Continental Divide, and that's going to be the format for the next several days, with those Chinook winds being very evident here in southern Alberta. Just the odd little pocket of cloud moving across, just caught up in that wind flow, but any precipitation is really going to be isolated to the mountains and into the northern sectors of BC. Vancouver is looking at a rain episode for the next 6 days. It's going to be very damp, but as far as any snowfall activity, it's going to be in the higher elevations, and you can see on the Titan radar we're not picking up any precipitation here in southern Alberta, and that looks to be the case, although there is a little bit of a model that is putting some shower activity just skipping across into southern Alberta tomorrow in the form of a rain shower on Christmas Eve, would you believe? But we're not really, I'm not banking too much on that, simply because the water vapor density maps are showing that precipitation risk is very, very, very slight, and we're looking at an area of high pressure dominating our section of the country. Not so down east. We've got rain-snow mix turning to snow as you get further into Atlantic Canada, a cool Arctic air mass pushing down from the north, and this precipitation coming up from the south. So snow is in the forecast. A white Christmas definitely in eastern Canada. -5 degrees in Winnipeg right now, -4 and -3 in Regina and Saskatoon. Sun and cloud mix there. 5 degrees in Edmonton right now, 0 in parts of the Okanagan, 6 degrees in Vancouver right now, and I mentioned rain showers in the forecast there. Snow on the forecast for Whitehorse and Yellowknife, -2 and -11 right now, and -11 in Yellowknife, but the wind chill factor there is making it feel much, much colder. And in East Kootenay overnight tonight, you're looking at an overnight low of -10 degrees. Tomorrow, -2. Cloudy. There's a chance of flurries in your forecast future tomorrow. Your winds will be out of the northwest at 20 kilometers per hour. In Crow's Nest Pass, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, 1 degree for a low. Windy tonight, windy tomorrow. We've got a low pressure center to the north that's putting wind warning criteria into the Grand Prairie area as well as the southwest corner of our province. So you've got company, folks, in Crow's Nest Pass. Windy all over parts of southern Alberta. Medicine Hat, you're looking at -2 under clear skies tonight. Tomorrow, mainly sunny skies, not too windy for you. The further east you go, the less wind you'll have to deal with. So if you're heading out in the highways, just be aware of that. If you're driving east, less wind. If you're driving into the mountains, you'll be picking up more wind. And Lethbridge, we're looking at winds tonight, could be gusting to 100 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, they'll be gusting to 70 during the day, but they should be tapering off by the evening hours, as we talked about with Kayla. Our high tomorrow will be 8 degrees for a high, and we'll have sunshine right for the next several days. Well into the start of the new year is what the forecast pages are looking at right now. But that area of high pressure to the south, area of low pressure to the north, the gradient's very tight. That's why the winds are very strong. Looks like it'll be relaxing a little bit as we get into the day tomorrow. But boy, we've got some nice temperatures to look forward to. Great conditions for people driving. Now, Kent has been making, this is very cool, he's been recycling materials to make handmade Christmas cards and donating them to different community charities. And he's been doing that for 25 years. That's a lot of recycling. We like to hear that. We have a basket here for you, Kent. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy Hanukkah, and we'll see you back here on Wednesday.